So we're gonna kick things off here with the Rike. All of these are premium knives, so they definitely come at a higher cost. Some of these are intended for a more knife enthusiast and collectors audience, not as much for everyday, budget, hard use, hardcore sort of knife. And it, kind of makes sense based on the price, based on the materials you use. So do keep that in mind. Just because you're not a fan of a knife you may see here, it doesn't mean someone else out there might not actually end up liking it or loving it or wanting to pick it up for themselves or add it to their current knife collection. So we're going to go ahead and start things off here with the Rike Cicada. Right, this one, of course, there's a review on every single one of these knives, by the way, in the channel if you want to learn more details. But this one is a pretty cool, interesting design. It has the symmetry going on based on the actual cicada insect, right? And you can see the wings there, the eyes, which is very nice. And it is also very interesting from the standpoint that it is a integral, however you want to say it, piece of titanium going on. So that's very, very neat there, milled from a very single piece of titanium. So, the type of work, machining that went into making this knife was quite substantial, to say the least. And all the contouring, little touches, milling, and all the accents everywhere definitely makes it pop, makes it stand out. Love the gold accented eyes and wings there. That looks very nice. So as far as deployment goes, we have a button. So we could deploy one of two ways. We could push the button and then just go ahead and use the jimping here to do a top flipper. There's jimping from this end all the way to this end. So that just makes it very effortless. You just push the button and then just swing it on the way open right there like that. You could also use it as a button lock and use a flick of the wrist as a button, flick of the wrist as a deployment method as well. There's another way to deploy it, which is, requires a little bit more juice, a little bit more force, and that is to overcome the detent of the button lock on your own by giving it just a little bit more tension. You push down a little bit more with your index finger and then deploy it that way without even pushing the button. So I'll show you. I'm not even pushing the button here, and bam, right? Very, very cool deployment here. Only comes out of one side. It does have a chisel edge going on, so it's sharp on this side and not on the other side. So that's very neat. Also, only one side is sharpened. This one is not, right? Which is great because for a small EDC, right? If you want to rest for a small knife, if you want to rest your fingers, kind of get a good grip and rest your thumb on it, you can. So that's pretty interesting right there. Overall, just a really cool knife, right? I go a lot in more detail during the review video. I think it looks pretty sick. I love everything about this knife. And again, it's not going to be your everyday carry per se, hard use, hard beat knife, but it definitely brings something unique to the table. M390 steel. This one is number 217 out of the production. It also works as a neck knife. So it comes in with a neck chain or a necklace that you can wrap around. Right, there's a loop hole for that, and you can also carry it as a neck piece if you wanted to as well. So very cool. That is the Rike Cicada. Interesting, and very unique design. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.